Hello students, this is Dr. Kajal and welcome to the channel of Professor Prime. And today we are going to start a new chapter, which is how we can create a database. So for creating the database in MySQL, I'm starting the XAMPP. I had already started the XAMPP software, and here you can easily create the database. Here you can click on the database tab and you can see what are the other database available already in your system. Now you can create the database either by writing the SQL query or by directly creating it. So for creating a database through MySQL or writing the query, we can just have to put the create command and then database. Now you have to give the database name. You have to name a database so that it can be created by that name. For my convenience, I am giving it the name Kajal. Okay, you can give any name whichever you want. So, and then you can press this semicolon and here you can create it. Now go for it and the database will already created. Now if you want to okay, now you can see that this database is already created now, MySQL. Now, Kajal name database. Now, if you want to use that database, then you can simply give the use keyword you can use, and here you can use this database name. After using this database name, you can use it. So this is the query. By using the database, you have to give the database name. Now you can write anything, whichever command you want to give. For example, if you want to create a table, then you can again write the create command and then the table, and table name you have to give. For example, I am giving the table, any table name, student table I am creating, right? Now, when creating the student table, you have to specify certain columns which you are going to place in your table. For example, a student may have their student ID. So you can give this name student ID. Then you have to give in which, for example, student ID can be the combination of the numbers and the some sort of characters also. So here you can give the which type of data type you are using here normally. So we can use varchar data type, which is the combination of your alphanumeric keywords. So you can write that, and then you have to give the size of that. Suppose we are giving the size of 8, the student ID must be within the limit of 8 characters. So we can use that. Next, we can give the student name for that. So name, we can give the varchar, and size of name can be more than 8 characters. We are giving the size name here. Varchar is this. In this way you can create. Suppose we have to give the age, then we can also give that age number. Now we can have the number data type, which we can give. Here number is not the data type in SQL, sorry for that. For age we can have numeric, yes, numeric data type, and here 2 characters are enough for that, so we can limit that. In this way we can create a table, then semicolon, and then go for it. Now our table is already created. If you want to show that which type of table we had created, then use this, and now we can show the table. How can we show it? Describe command can be used to see which is the table contains and what type of attributes are there. Now you can see it here. There are 3 fields or attributes we have created, and what are the types and size, this have already been created. So this is a simple example of creating a database, using a database, and creating a simple table in that database. For the next session, we will go for next thing. Thank you very, very much. Have a nice day.